In this tutorial, we'll run through the social engineering toolkit and how to create and send um, phishing email. This is for educational purposes, and what we're doing with the demonstration is showcasing how an attacker can easily create a message and send it out to the target organization or person. It doesn't require a whole lot, and certainly something that we need to be aware of. Um, Phishing works because it's easy to use and it doesn't cost a lot of money. We can phish for accounts all day long, and all it takes is have you know one or two responses per day to really achieve the attacker's objective, which is stealing credentials, personal identifiable information, and so on. Let's get things started. To start the social engineering toolkit, I'm going to open up a terminal. So open up terminal and type in set toolkit, SC toolkit. So the next thing is you're going to select option 1. Then we're asked what type of attack we'd like to do. So we're going to do the mass mailer attack. We're going to send to a particular address. So in this case, we can use Google. This is the password for your actual Gmail account, or you can use your Open Relay or set up your own SMTP server. I'm going to have an attachment. Context can be, of course, different. So what I'm doing now is when we're finished, we're going to type in end and enter. And that's it. The message should have been received. Now, in my case, we don't allow outgoing SMTP just from any host. I think what's going to happen is my VM also is not set to allow outbound connections, so this is not going to work. But in concept, this is how it works. That's how easy it is. And the URL that was provided there can actually point to anything. It could point to reverse handler that upon clicking can spawn a shell, or ask to download a file. You open the file, and from there you can infect your system, open a shell. It could be a link to an exploit targeting Flash or a browser or whatever available, and that could spawn on a shell after exploitation. So really the technique is different. What's interesting is the delivery method. The most common methods for infecting machines is through an email, an actual attachment, clicking on a link, or through download, browsing the web.